violations of probation. Who's Danielle Lawler?
My ex-fiance.
Okay.
The
Hang on, slow down. So they left a note for me. I never like these notes. Smells of booze. Listen, they don't just come in and tell me that just to make up stories. If you want, I'll give you a PBT.
She does.
Listen to me.
I have.
Listen to me. She does what?
She has been trying to keep me out of my
Did you hear what I said?
What's that?
Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
We're not going on this case if you're under the influence.
I'm sure I am.
Well, then let's get a PBT. We'll give it to you, and I'll see whether or not you're being truthful. Now, I want you to understand, while it's reprehensible to have somebody come to court that's intoxicated, there must not have been alcohol involved in this incident because just let me finish.
I'm listening.
You're starting to shake your head already.
No, I'm listening.
Okay. While it's repulsive for somebody to come to court intoxicated, I didn't order you not to drink. This incident of this MDOP must have had nothing to do with alcohol, or I would have ordered it. So you don't need to get all uptight and start acting like I'm gonna lock you up. But I am not going on this case if you are at all intoxicated. Now, maybe a couple people just thought you smelled the booze and you weren't drinking. So you will be a lot better off if you're honest with me. And then we'll go on from there and I'll figure out how I'm gonna handle this. You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
I do have.
Sir, we're not to that point. We're not talking about the case. All I want to know is, were you drinking before you came to court today? Yes or no?
I drank last night.
Give him a PBT, and then you'll come back in front of me. I have a feeling it's going to reflect worse than that, but what do I know? Come on up here, Mr. Makunovich.
I apologize.
Derek Allen Makunovich, 242-642-916. Your name again?
Derek Allen.
Well, why would you lie to me?
I didn't mind. I told you I drank last night. I didn't get to sleep. So
If you drank, what time did you stop drinking?
I didn't get to sleep. So
What time did you stop drinking?
about 10 o'clock.
All right, that was nearly 12 hours ago. Now, I just want to let you in on a secret. If you have an would you say 086? And that was 12 hours ago, you can add about another 1.18. So you're somewhere around 2.6 when you went to sleep. I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
Looking to chastise you here. Ma'am, come on up here. Please.
Yeah, totally.
Your name?
Lauren Cummins.
I'm not going to ask if he drove here. Do you have a valid license?
Yes.
Do you drive?
Yes.
You still drive?
Yes.
I'm going to assume you drove him.
Yes.
All right. Now, this is problematic for me because I could lock him up right now, probably should. Under what authority? Nah, I don't really know if I have any, to be honest with you. I didn't order him not to consume alcohol. I'm not going to make my own rules. But I have a concern here when I got somebody who's legally intoxicated. Bring the victim in.
Okay.
Your name, ma'am? Ma'am, what's your name, please?
Danielle Lawler.
So I have concerns here. I can't go into it except to say that Mr. Makunovich has been drinking. He's still legally intoxicated as of this point. I'm going to set this for another hearing date. I'm not going to go on and deal with a case where somebody's intoxicated. But I'm really concerned. Ma'am, just relax. Just relax. I'm talking about you, Mrs. What's your name again?
McNally.
What's your first name?
Lori.
So I hope no alcohol is a condition of your bond.
No.
No illegal drugs. No marijuana. I'm not going to even arraign you right now. I'm just telling you, I'm going to set this for a hearing, but I'm adding a bond condition. I suppose I could get you a lawyer, but I'm not locking you up, and I'm not going to set a cash bond. But no alcohol, no controlled substances, no marijuana. You're to continue to comply with all terms and conditions of probation.
Yes.
Now, I worry about this. Ma'am, you're going to drive home?
Yes.
I have your word on that.
Yes.
Because if I see him or I have a court officer tell me that he's driving out of the parking lot, I will call the police. Stop, Mr. Makunovich, stop. Do you work today?
I took off work today.
Is that true, ma'am?
Yes, he's not.
So you're not going out of the house, right?
I do all the driving.
Okay. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm rescheduling this. Now, Lisa, why don't you give me another date? I'll just make a note. Defendant appeared intoxicated. Court added bond condition of no alcohol or controlled substances. And again, it's not my practice to order no alcohol if it doesn't have anything to do with this incident. But in this case now, you've shown up here, you're drunk. You can tell me all you want.
May 22nd at 11.
May 22nd at 11. No alcohol, no marijuana, no controlled substances. But this is a big alarm, I hope, for you, sir, because if you're showing up and you were drinking to the tune of a 2.6, the overwhelming majority of people would be vomiting long before that, okay? Or at least very ill, so that's what I'll do. Ma'am, is that date good with you? Sure, May 26th, you said, Lisa?
May 22nd.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What day is that?
That's a week from tomorrow, so that would be next Thursday.
Yes.
At 8:30, Lisa?
11.
Oh, at 11. Okay? I have your word, you're driving.
Yes. I do driving.
Okay. Do not go out and drive a motor vehicle, sir. Good luck. Thank you. Thanks, ma'am. Good. You smell of alcohol, I'm told, Ms. Hinkle. Are you
I
drunk?
was drinking last night.
Are you drunk?
No,
We're gonna give you a PBT, okay? My court officer's going to administer a PBT to you.
I
So,
was drinking till,
ma'am,
Go ahead and see the hallway.
we're gonna administer a PBT to you.
Go ahead and see the hallway.
And you'll go out and, so that goes to the prosecutor. That's the PBT. You said no, sir. What's your name? Tell me your name.
my name's Lori Gainville.
You got a .166 on the PBT.
I was drinking till 4 o'clock in the morning. I didn't know that I couldn't do that was.
You're still drunk.
No, it was,
Go through the hallway.
Man, you've got a .166. Who drove here?
my friend.
Who's- Is this the guy here? Did he drive?
Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton, the left president.
Slow down. What?
of the United States.
Hang on a second. Who?
The 11th cousin to the United States president.
What's his name?
Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton. The cousin to the president. Hamilton.
You ready?
Yeah.
The President of the United States,
Yes,
the President right now,
yes, sir.
he's shaking his head no. Why is he shaking his head no? If he's not the President, why?
No, he's not president. He's the 11th cousin.
11th cousin. He's shaking his head no. That he's not the 11th cousin. And honestly, I don't care if he's the brother of the president. It's not going to help you, so I don't need to hear this. What I do want you to know, if you show up for court again drunk, we're going to have a big problem. I'm going to reschedule your case. Sir, you cannot let her drive. Do you understand?
Thank you, Judge McNally.
Well, you know, you got to.
Pledge allegiance.
I'm sorry?
Pledge allegiance.
Pledge allegiance? Is that what you said?
Yes. I'm unjustified.
Just relax. Heather, give me another date, will you please? I should probably have you locked up until you go down. Give me another date.
We could do February 18th at 9:45.
Come on up here, sir. What is your name?
My name is Ron and
Did you drive her here?
yes, I did, because I smelled alcohol when she got up.
Do you live with her?
Well, she stayed with me last night. She asked me 2 days ago if I'd come with her. I told her yeah, but she left my house when she got.
Is she going to have access to a motor vehicle?
No. Not have anything.
Do you own a motor vehicle, ma'am?
That's what
Does she?
a 2010 Ford Focus,
She owns it.
lightweight.
Well, hang on a second. You just told me she didn't have access. If she owns a motor vehicle, how does she not have access to the vehicle?
I'm the woman. Not just. I picked him last night.
Go down the hall, get your new date. It's going to be February 18th
February 18th.
at 9:45 in the morning.
You think 45 an hour, no alcohol.
Don't show up drunk.
Yes.
Don't show up after consuming alcohol.
Okay, sir.
We understand?
Okay.
Sir, I'm going to let her go. I'm going to trust you're not going to give her those keys.
Thank you. I'm trying to get her into a treatment center for alcoholism.
All right, let's not have any further discussions here, okay?
Okay.
That's what I'm going to do. Do not drive. Do you understand?
Yes,
Do not drive. You understand?
yes,
Sir.
Go down the hall. They'll give you a notice. Thank you.
This courtroom hearing quickly turned into one of the most unusual and alarming sessions of the day.
You're gonna, my court officer's going to administer a PBT to you.
While
So,
still under the influence of
Ma'am.
alcohol.
One,
In
I
the first
didn't,
case,
I did.
A man facing
Well, then,
probation-related
couldn't be
proceedings
that was-
denied
You're
being
still drunk.
intoxicated.
United States
But a breath
President.
test
What's his
revealed
name?
he was still legally drunk
Sir
after a night of heavy
Ronald
drinking.
Raymond.
Concerns
Yes.
for public safety.
sir,
The judge
you cannot let her drive.
hearing added strict
Pledge allegiance?
alcohol bond
Is that what you said?
conditions and warned him that his behavior signaled a much deeper problem than the case itself. Moments
I'm
later, a
We could
second
do
defendant
February
shocked the
18th
courtroom even
at
further by
9:45.
registering an even higher
What is your
alcohol
name?
while
My name is
appearing
Ron.
confused and unable to answer basic questions. As the judge tried to
She stayed with
determine
me
who
last
drove
night.
to
She
court
asked me
and
2
whether
days
she had
ago if
access
I'd
to a
come with
vehicle,
me. I told her
the
yeah,
hearing
but
spiraled into
She
bizarre
left-
exchanges and growing concern.
Do you own a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Rather than rushing to
Lightweight.
punishment, the judge
Well, hang on a second. You just told me she didn't have access. If she owns a motor vehicle,
clear that showing up to court intoxicated
I picked
is
him
a
last
serious
night.
warning sign
Team.
that cannot be ignored.
February 18th.
By the
at
end of the hearing,
9:45
both
in the morning.
defendants
You think
left with
45 an
stricter
hour, no
conditions,
alcohol.
You
new
don't.
court dates, and a clear message.
Okay,
When
sir.
alcohol
We
begins
understand.
controlling your
Get her
decisions,
into
the
a treatment
consequences
center
can follow you everywhere,
for
even into
alcoholism.
the
All
courtroom
right, let's
itself.
not have any